Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video, and this video is also going to be regarding Cognizant. So today Cognizant is sending back-to-back updates. So almost for more than 2 months there was no updates, and now they are sending back-to-back mails and updates regarding onboarding, domains, training start date, even qualifier exam date. Not only just they are giving the second stage date, also the onboarding dates as FT. Okay, when you are going to get FT onboarding, all the dates they are sending today. So we are going to discuss and see all the dates and updates and also the domains, trainings and everything in this video. So let's start the video without wasting any more time. So already earlier few hours ago I have posted a video regarding a mail Cognizant was sending that by April the virtual stage 1 training is going to start for everyone, and this will be happening in phase wise manner. First batch will start in April, but like that they have said. So I've already said that not everyone is going to get on the same date, because they have mentioned that phase wise manner based on your hacker rank test scores. Okay, so now the first phase candidates, those who are in first phase, they already started to get mails for when their trainings and all are going to start. The detailed timeline they have got, we are going to see and discuss all about the times and dates they have mentioned and also the procedures. So first of all, that the first phase which batch got, if you have got or if you have not got, make sure to comment down if you have got your dates and all when your training is going to start. And if you have not got the mail for date yet, make sure to comment down whatever it is. So they have given the duration of the training as well, that for the virtual stage 1 training, it is, they have mentioned, is going to be for 6 weeks. So 6 weeks virtual stage 1 training is going to happen. It will be based on domains. Okay, so whatever domain you got, your technology stack or whatever you are learning in the stage 1 is going to be depending based on that. Okay, so what are the multiple domains people are getting till now? What information I got is there are only 3 domains coming till now. So Java, .NET and Python, these 3 tech stacks are coming. These are not your proper domains, because in Java there might be multiple domains, in Python there might be multiple domains. These are your basic coding languages and technical stacks you are going to be learning for your stage 1. Okay, so if you got any other domain, make sure to comment down. Basically for Java and Python to everyone knows, but for .NET basically you are going to learn and get trained on C#. Okay, so if you have received the training mails regarding your domains and all, make sure to comment down whatever technical stack you got, Java, C#, .NET or Python. So if you got even anything else other than this, you can also make sure to comment that down so that we can have an idea about that. So let's move on to the next topic. And they have also given and mentioned what I have said earlier, that the completing this stage 1 is mandatory to move on to the next stage. So if you are completing the stage 1, passing the qualifier, only then you are going to move to the next stage, otherwise it's done for you. Okay, they have clearly mentioned it. And let's see what are the dates and whatever the tentative onboarding, FT onboarding dates also they have given. Let's check that. But before moving on, if you are new to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding, exam updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss those out. And if you have any queries or doubt, you can contact us in our Telegram or WhatsApp channel. That mentioned in the mail. So they have mentioned in the mail whatever track you have been identified to get your training in. Okay, make sure to understand that this track is not your exact domain, because suppose they have given .NET track, but for .NET there might be multiple domains, like one might be for testing, one might be for full stack development, one might be for the other development like role. Okay, this type of multiple domains might be in the .NET, that we will understand or get once you are getting to the office for offline training for the stage 2 and stage 3 trainings. Then you are going to understand that. But for now you have just got the track, that is based on which technical coding language you are going to get trained in, basically based on Java, C# and Python. These 3 I have got information. If you have any other domain, make sure to comment out. Now let's understand the duration. Duration they have mentioned is going to be 6 weeks. Skills they have mentioned, I have already told you. Stage 1 mode will be virtual. I have already posted that also in the previous video, that virtual training is going to happen. Assessment is now different, because they are not going to give you from office. Okay, they are not going to get the assessment from office, because otherwise they take the assessment in different tech stack platform. but now as you are going to get a virtual training, so your assessment will be on hacker rank based skill assessment. Okay, so hacker rank based assessment you can expect like the earlier hacker rank assessment, that this type of questions you can expect. I will give you the coding and SQL languages from where you can prepare and practice also. Okay, so the playlist I will give you in the description, you can check from there. And the assessment will happen at the end of 6th week. Okay, the assessment will happen at the end of 6th week based on your outcome. If you are clearing and getting minimum score of 70%, that is mandatory to move to the subsequent next stages. But if you are not clearing the assessment, not getting at least 70%, it will result in your CSD offer cancellation and your LOI will be revoked. Okay, you can say goodbye to Cognizant if you are not clearing the qualifier one. So they have, now let's discuss about the dates what they have given. So start date is going to be April 22nd. So whoever received the mail today for this April 22nd start date, for them it is April 22nd. Those who are waiting, for them it might be happening in a later phase. They might be getting the next phases, that is after few weeks they might be getting for the next stage mail. Okay, but if you are getting now, so this is going to be starting from 22nd April, they have clearly mentioned. And also the next phase will be, the next date to remember will be 27th May. Okay, that will be when your tentative hacker rank test or skill based assessment is going to happen. So one thing to remember clearly, they have not mentioned that 22nd April is the start date exactly. They have mentioned the week of April 22nd. So whatever week April 22nd date is in, any day of that week they can start. Okay, so like that. So do not expect that 22nd April they have mentioned, the 23rd it might not happen, or 24th it might not happen. They might change it to 23rd or 24th. They have just mentioned week of 22nd. Okay, and also there will be assessment when the assessment is going to happen. Assessment is going to happen on week of 27th May. Okay, any data from that week. Next is when you are going to get onboarded into Cognizant offices for the next stages of the CSD program. That will be happening on week of June 10th or June 17th. So on the June 10th or June 17th week, you are going to get onboarded into Cognizant offices for offline mode training for the next phases. And then there will be a CSD program completion for the next stages. That will be a duration of 8 to 10 weeks they have mentioned. So you can expect almost 1.5 to 2 months for that particular and other stages from after stage 1. So that will also take from June to complete to July or August, like that. Okay, through August you can expect that it is going to get finished. And they have given the tentative FTE onboarding date also on week of 26th August or week of September 2nd. So all the dates that are seeing, that all the dates you are seeing in future are tentative. They have just given you an approximate idea. Okay, that might be changed by few days or few weeks. Okay, but this is a tentative or approximate date they have given. So you can expect about that time you are going to get your offline training onboarding for Cognizant next stages, and also for your FT onboarding you can expect. Okay, and now some key points also there. So they are going to send you some open learning platform source or links. You have to learn from there by yourself. Also there will be some master classes every week they are going to arrange for any doubt clearing for or any technical knowledge or concept clearance. You can understand and ask doubts in that sessions also for understanding whatever tech stack you got. For suppose if you are getting Java, so if you are not understanding the concepts of error handling in Java, so you can ask that in the meeting or in the master class. Okay, or they might just teach you whatever they want from that particular tech stack. And they also give you some hands-on practice options, practice links. Okay, like practice assessments also. Everything they are going to give you, you have to practice by yourself, and you are required to clear the stage 1 assessment in one attempt. There will be only one attempt in the stage 1 assessment, I have already said. Okay, there will be no second attempt option given. And also one more thing they have said, that what the next update you are going to get is going to be a mail for connect call. Okay, the connect call is planned on April 22nd. On that connect call you can expect when your stage 1 journey is getting started. Okay, so you are going to, next mail you are going to get is going to be for a connect call or a meeting link, like that. Okay, for April 22nd. So that's it of all the details they have said. If you have any queries regarding this or any doubts, you can surely ask us in our comments, and also make sure to comment whatever tech stack you got.